Our team coverage continues tonight with Casey Baylor. She is tackling the question, how did we get here? She's on your corner in downtown Baltimore, walking us through the case and the several possible outcomes.
A criminal defense attorney not affiliated with this case says depending on the decision, Adnan Syed's case could be far from over. But let's go back to 1999. That's when 18-year-old high school student Heyman Lee went missing. Weeks later, her body was found.
Today, what the court is going to consider is whether or not it should modify the sentence that was originally imposed.
In 2000, Adnan Syed was convicted in the murder of his ex-girlfriend and classmate, originally sentenced to life in prison plus 30 years. He served more than 20 years before being released in 2022. Former Baltimore State's Attorney Marilyn Mosby filed a motion to vacate Syed's conviction after identifying issues with trial evidence, which a judge granted. In 2023, it was then reinstated after Lee's brother filed an appeal, noting he did not receive enough time to attend the hearing leading to Syed's release. In 2024, Maryland's Supreme Court upheld that decision. 4 months later, Syed's lawyers requested a judge to reduce his sentence under the Juvenile Restoration Act, considering Syed was 17 at the time of the murder. Then Tuesday, Baltimore State's Attorney Ivan Bates withdrew a motion to vacate Syed's murder conviction, which brings us to Wednesday's hearing. Criminal defense attorney Eric Bakaj says there are multiple endings to this hearing. If the court grants a motion to reconsider,
the appellate court's really held was that the important thing is that the victims be given a meaningful opportunity to be heard, and the law requires that. So I think already in my experience, I've had that come up in cases.
And Bakaj says he could see there being additional appeals if a judge imposes Syed's original sentence. Reporting on your corner in downtown Baltimore, I'm Casey Baylor for WJZ.
All right, thank you, Casey.